12th problem. Given A is equal to matrix 3 minus 2 minus 1 4 and matrix B they have given 6 1 and matrix C is minus 4 5 and D they have given matrix 2 2. They are asking to find AB plus 2C minus 4D. First find AB. What is the meaning of AB? A into B. So for multiplication you have to check whether order, first order matrix is 2 by 2 and the second one is 2 rows and 1 column. The first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row in that manner. So then only it is possible. First matrix column is equal to second matrix row. So 2 by 1 matrix comes. Now multiply row with the column. 3 into 6 plus minus 2 into 1. First element completed. Second one. Minus 1 into 6 plus 4 into 1. 3 6 are 18. Plus into minus. Minus. 2 1s are 2. Minus into plus is minus. 1 6 are 6. Plus 4 1s are 4. 18 minus 2 is 16. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So we got 2 by 1 matrix. 2 rows, 1 column. Now they asked to find AB plus 2C minus 4D. AB just now we got matrix 16 minus 2 plus 2 into C. What is C? C properly. Minus 4 and 5. And minus 4 into D. D is 2, 2. These are column matrices. Only one column. Matrix having only one column is called column matrix. You know this one definition. Now first multiply with the 2. 2 table everybody knows. 2 minus 8, 2 5 10. 4 table everyone knows. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Now simplify. 16 plus of minus 8 minus 8. First element completed. Minus 2 plus 10 minus 8. This completed. Now 16 plus into minus, minus. Again minus 8 is there. So minus 2 plus 10 minus 8 as it is. Now add positives. 16 is there. And negatives, minus 8 is minus 16. Positive write 10 here. Minus 2 and minus 8 is minus 10. Now 16 minus 16 how much? 10. 10 minus 10, 16 minus 16, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. So now we got answer 0, 0. 0 matrix. This is also 2 by 1. Addition of a matrices or subtraction of a matrices, order should be same. This is 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. When the order is a comparable matrices, when the order is same only, then we can simplify whether addition or subtraction. So this is the way of doing this problem. 13th problem. Given A is equal to matrix 1 0 2 1 and B they have given matrix 2 3 minus 1 0. Find A square plus AB plus B square. We have to find 1 by 1. Then afterwards together we are going to simplify it. First A square. First term is A square. What is the meaning of A square? A into A. You write 2 times 1 0 2 1 into 1 0 2 1. You know already all the principles what would be followed. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Then only multiplication possible. And second one is row with the column. This is all understood hereafter. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2. Again 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Next 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Last one 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Now 1 1s are 1 plus 0 2s are 0. Next 1 zeros are 0 plus 0 1s are 0. Next 2 1s are 2 plus 1 2 is 2. Next 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1s are 1. Simplify. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. This is the value of A square. Next term is AB. AB means A into B. A is matrix 1 0 2 1 and the matrix B is 2 3 minus 1 0. Now columns are equal to rows, so multiplication possible. Next row with the column, so 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Second element, 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Third one with second row, 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Next last one, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Now simplify, 1 2s are 2, plus into minus minus, 0 1s are 0, 1 3s are 3, plus 0 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus, 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 zeros are 0. Now 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 6 plus 0 is 6. This is the value of AB. Next last term is B square. B square means B into B. What is B matrix? 2 3 minus 1 0, again into 2 3 minus 1 0. Now we are multiplying row with the column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Next 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Second element completed. Third one with second row. Minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Now simplify. 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus, 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6, plus 3 zeros are 0, plus into minus minus, 1 2s are 2, plus into minus minus, 0 1s are 0, minus into plus is minus, 1 3s are 3, plus 0 zeros are 0. Now you are simplifying. 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 plus 0 is 6, minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Now what they told to find? To find a square plus ab plus b square, all three together. Now a square value you have written, plus ab value you have written, plus b square value you have written. Now all the, for addition of matrix the order should be same. All the three are 2 by 2 order only. So you are comparing first element with first element with first element. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, 0 plus 3 plus 6, 4 plus 3 plus of minus 2. Next 1 plus 6 plus of minus 3. Now you are simplifying. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus into minus minus 2, so 7 minus 2. Still we have to simplify. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 you have written, plus into minus minus 3, so 7 minus 3. Now you are simplifying. 4 and 9 as it is you are going to write. 7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. So what is the required answer after simplifying all the a square plus ab plus b square is 4, 9, 5, 4. 14th problem. In 14th problem, first bit. Let A, they have given matrix 4, minus 2, 6, minus 3. B is equal to matrix 0, 2, 1, minus 1. And C is equal to matrix minus 2, 3, 1, minus 1. Find A square minus A plus BC. First we are going to find A square. Meaning is A into A. That is equal to 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3 into 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3. We know column should be equal to rows. Equal. Next multiplication row with the column. So 4 into 4 plus minus 2 into 6. First element completed. Again 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 3. Second element. Next third one. Second row with first column. 6 into 4 plus minus 3 into 6. Next fourth one. 6 into minus 2 plus minus 3 into minus 3. Now 4 4s are 16 plus into minus minus 2 6 are 12 plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8 minus into minus plus plus into plus again plus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24 plus into minus minus 3 6 are 18. Next, plus into minus, minus 6 2s are 12. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, again plus. 3 3s are 9. Now simplifying. 16 minus 12 is 4. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. 24 minus 18 is 6. Minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. This is the value of a square. Next is minus a. No need, because already a value is there. We can substitute that a value directly. Next, last term is BC. What is the meaning of BC? Means B into C. What is B? 0, matrix 0, 2, 1, minus 1. And what is C matrix? Minus 2, 3, 1, minus 1. Now, columns are equal to rows. First point. Next, second point is row with column. 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1. Second one. 0 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Next, third one. Second row with first column. 1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 1. The last element. 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Now simplify. Plus into minus, minus. 2 zeros are 0. 0 will not have any sign, either plus or minus. So write 0. 0 into anything will be 0. Next, plus 2 ones are 2. 0 3s are 0. Plus into minus, minus. 2 ones are 2. Plus into minus, minus. 1 2s are 2. Plus into minus, minus. 1 ones are 1. 1 3s are 3. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, again plus. 1 1s are 1. Now 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. What they told to find? To find a square minus a plus bc. The value of a square we got here. Substitute. 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3. Minus, what is the value of a given in the problem? 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3. Plus BC. BC answer how much we got? 2 minus 2 minus 3, 4. Now how to add a matrices or subtract matrices? We have to see same order, comparable matrices. So 2 by 2 order, 2 by 2 order, 2 by 2 order. So to add matrices, we have to check the order first. The order should be same. If it is not same, we can't add. Keep in mind. Now first element you are going to simplify. 4 minus 4 plus 2. This is the first element. Minus 2, minus of minus 2, plus of minus 2. Be careful with brackets. Third element. 6 minus 6 plus of minus 3. Fourth one. Minus 3 minus of minus 3 plus 4. Now simplify. Plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. 0. 0 plus 2. Here brackets are there. Simplify first. Minus 2 as it is. Minus into minus. Plus 2. Plus into minus. Minus 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Plus into minus. Minus 3. Minus 3 as it is. Minus into minus. Plus 3. Plus 4. Now 0 plus 2 is 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled and minus 2 is left. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled and 4 is left. So what is the answer of a square minus ab plus bc? Means 2 minus 2 minus 3, 4.